Ready to take your Wix website from basic to brilliant by injecting some custom HTML magic? First, head over to your Wix dashboard and click the Edit Site button to enter the Wix editor. This is where the fun begins. Now, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Add button, typically represented by a plus sign. Click it. In the Add panel that pops up, scroll down until you see the Embed option. Click this. You'll see a few options here, but for most HTML code, choose the Embed Code Plus option. This will give you the most flexibility. A gray box will appear on your web page. Drag and drop it to the location where you want your custom code to be displayed. Now, click the Enter Code button within the box. In the pop-up window, you'll see a text field labeled Code. Carefully paste your HTML code into this field. Make sure there are no typos or missing tags, as even a small error can prevent the code from working correctly. Once you've pasted your code, click the Apply button. You should now see a preview of your custom HTML element directly on your Wix page. If everything looks good, hit Publish in the top right corner to make your changes live. And that's it. Your custom HTML is now part of your fantastic Wix website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks.